All right, let's do another instructional on our black tank. And as you can see, our black tank is going to be right down here. Let's walk through that real quick. All right, so mine might look a little different, and the reason for that is because typically you will have this pipe hooked to that pipe, and this is your drain pipe. You may have two. If you do, you're going to need a Y. If you only have one, you're going to have one pipe hooked to there, and I'll go ahead and talk you through this. This piece right here is our actual flush valve, and it's called Flush King, and we use that one because of this blue connection right here. And the reason I say blue connection is because there's some with paddles, and that paddle will strip that screw out a lot of times. I can run water into my tank and fill my tanks from the bottom up. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, this way you could fill all of your tanks. We have 4 tanks. If you look under here, here's our black tank pole, and it's listed. Here's our gray tank pole, and it's listed. So you typically want to keep them closed, even if you're connected to a sewer setup. The reason for that is because you want water in your tank. You don't want everything that falls into a dry tank and will just sit in the bottom of that tank. You don't want that to happen. Now, if I were to fill this up, I close this valve, and I basically would turn this water on, and the water will fill up into the piping, and it'll go up this pipe and into the tank from the bottom. What this does is it basically fills from the bottom up, and anything that's in it will be floating or sunk down, but it will basically create a lot of water inside of that tank. And then when you pull this, you're going to get an extreme flush. We cover that in another video on how to extremely flush your black tanks. So hopefully that helps. We do have another black tank in the front, but everything is connected by the single pipe. Hope that helps with the black tank. Like and subscribe. Make sure you follow us so you don't miss any of our instructional how-to videos.
Thanks for watching. God bless and safe travels.